What is a perfect blend of fresh sweet crab and savory curry powder that is not spicy? Thai-style stir-fried crab in curry powder. Try this delicious crab recipe for a special occasion. Here are my ingredients. 1 kilo of blue crab or flower crab cut and clean, 200 grams of evaporated milk, 3 chicken eggs, 4 tablespoons of Thai curry powder. This is what it looks like. This can be substituted with Watch brand curry powder as well. 3 tablespoons of homemade Thai chili jam. This is what it looks like. 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped, 1 red chili, half yellow onion, 2 stalks of parsley, 2 stalks of spring onions, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 3/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons of water. First, we are going to marinate the crab. Sprinkle all the salt over the crab. We want to get it distributed as evenly as possible, as we cannot rub the salt into the crab. Now we will cook the crab. Pour in the oil. Heat the pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add in garlic. And fry until golden brown and fragrant. This will infuse the oil with the garlic flavor. When it is almost golden brown, switch off the heat and remove half of the garlic from the pan. Now add in the crab gently. With crab, they cannot be stirred too much, just a little bit to prevent the garlic underneath from burning. Now we are adding in 1/4 cup of water. This will generate the steam that will cook the crab and prevent the garlic from burning. Next, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of curry powder to make the crab fragrant. Flip the crab to allow the heat to be distributed evenly. Add in another 3 tablespoons of water. In case there is not enough steam, cover the lid to allow it to cook for 7 minutes or until the crabs are cooked. While waiting for the crab, we are going to prepare the gravy. In a clean mixing bowl, whisk 3 eggs until well combined. This will take about 10 seconds. Next, pour in the evaporated milk. Add in the Thai chili jam. Light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and the balance of the curry powder. Now, whisk it together until very well combined so that we won't have lumps of curry powder. The gravy should be thin like water, like this. Now the gravy is complete. Let's cook it. Open the lid. Wow! The crab smells amazing. Using a tongue, flip all the crab to check if they are cooked. Most of them are about 95% cooked. Remove all the crab from the pan. What is left is the remnant of the garlic oil, curry powder with the crab essence. This is full of flavor. Now put in the yellow onions, fried garlic, red chili. Give it a stir. Now put in the wonderful crab gravy mix. We have to consistently stir the gravy mix as the egg will solidify at the bottom of the pan. This gravy will not taste of egg as the evaporated milk and curry powder overpower it. We are using the egg for its ability to hold strong flavor and solidify into nuggets of deliciousness. See, the gravy has started to thicken nicely. I can scoop up the solidified eggs with the turner, and there is some gravy that is still liquid. Now we can add in the crab. Carefully stir the crab to have them fully coated with the gravy. The liquid gravy is cooking. It sticks to the crab, and so you will get this very beautifully coated crab with the gravy. Now add in the parsley and spring onions. The gravy is becoming dry. Set the heat to medium-low. Give it a mix to evenly distribute the greens. See the gravy becoming nugget? This is what we want. Now the gravy is quite dry. It should not be too dry. So we are going to add in half a cup of water and cover the lid. Cook on medium-high heat for 2 minutes until the water is boiling. The water is boiling now. Open the lid. We have one more ingredient that I have forgotten. It is sugar. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir the crab evenly. This will give a nice balance of spicy, savory, and sweet to the gravy. Now we can give it a taste. Perfect. Very savory with curry flavor and a little bit of sweetness. Now we can dish out and serve. Let's try it. I'm so excited. Eat together with the gravy. So good. Crab is so fresh, so sweet. The gravy brings the curry flavor. I love it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this stir-fried crab with curry powder. Subscribe for my simple home-cooked video recipes. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.